Surprise, surprise. We have made it to Montgomeryville Cycle Center, where I will now switch off bikes basically and give them. That was the slowest, most painful ride I ever had to endure.
I was so bored, dude.
I'm so sorry I had to put you guys through that.
I know why you want me to ride up here. It's only because we sort of.
Thanks.
You want me to buy a new bike, don't you?
Oh, this showroom goes stupid. X Kane.
Just from pulling in, I was like, yo, this shit's probably nice as fuck in here.
Kane understands that this is next level. Hi. Good. Hey, Dan. Better now that I've arrived. I am here. So let me tell you guys what's happening. Kane is sitting on my Ducati for the first time. And the kickstand is a little interesting, I know. This is an interesting moment for us. I will. Oh. GoPro. It's GoPro time, baby. Time for the flicks. This is exciting. Alright. Back to tiptoe, gang. Let's see if I see it. Welcome to Ducati life. Let's circle the block real quick. Make sure I know what I'm doing still. Finale. Baby, wind up. Baby, wind up. Yeah, I am beyond ecstatic. Excited. introduce yourself to the fans and to the peoples?
For all of y'all that don't know me, I'm part of the original group. I've been out of town, out of sight, kind of.
Out of town and out of sight.
But we are the original crew.
We are the original crew.
I'm one of the last ones left to upgrade my bike, but we're not going to get into that.
We're not. And I'm going to put a little snippet clip up top here to show you what Kane's bike looked like.
Right. So this is a bike I've been actually waiting to ride for 2 years now.
2 years you've been waiting to ride this bike.
The month you got the bike, I decided I was going to celebrate by breaking my foot.
Of course.
And
then months later you decided to move to California.
And finally now in 2023, we're catching up.
We're finally catching up.
Seeing her for the first time. And I'm going to ride a Ducati for the first time.
Yeah, let's go.
So it should be pretty cool. Should be interesting. Should be exciting.
I am excited.
I am excited.
All right, let's have some fun.
Quick shifter up and down.
Yes, up and down. All right, so my microphone should be reattached and you all can hear me personally. It's like you're in my brain. And this is time for you to get acquainted with Rose. I can't wait to change her seat. I'm gonna get a custom seat with my name on it. It'll say Slimrides on it. It'll say Slimrides right on it. Yeah. I'm so excited for Kane, man. He's been waiting so patiently, so diligently. Alright, as I said, there isn't anything that I can't drive. Damn, that BMW fine though. Whoo, the breeze in my helmet feels so good. I nearly forget what it's like to ride an R1. But I will say it feels good to be able to flat foot. I ain't gonna lie, my bike look good. My bike look good. Ooh, but there's definitely sweat dripping down my titty. Sorry, blurt that out. Alright, let's... I'll say, where the hell is the foot pegs at on this shit?
A few moments later.
Wait, why the hell is this shit saying that we need gas and we just got gas? That makes me very uncomfortable. Okay, two things. I forgot to strap my helmet. Okay. You missed the turn.
Oh, we're supposed to go that way.
Yeah. And why is this thing saying that we need gas?
Oh, it always...
That's broken? Yeah. Okay.
Also, the oil pressure light, the red one may come on. Ignore it.
Okay.
How do you put this thing in sport mode?
What is it on? Street?
Yeah.
Leave it on street.
Yeah, because the throttle response is slow.
It's going too slow?
Yeah, the throttle response is too slow. It's throwing me off.
Because you're in the streets.
Nothing.
Day 2, you can turn it into sport mode. Day 3, if you're feeling fancy, you can put it in race mode.
Yeah, no, not race. Because race turns off all the air.
Everything.
Yeah, just
it turns off everything. Look at my hair, just blowing. Just blowing. In the water. I ain't gonna lie, that bike looks sexy as hell sitting at that light. Like, that's what that looks like? Cheese on bread, boy. It look good, it look good. Rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling. Oh yeah, and my helmets is karaoke all day, baby. It's karaoke, baby. If you only see my face, y'all would be sick of me. Y'all would be sick of me. I had a buddy one time I was riding with. He was like, you know what? I would hate to watch your YouTube videos, because he was like, that shit would probably give me a headache. He rode with me one time and was like, yo, you just bopping away, bopping, 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 bopping. And I'm like, yep, I'm a bopper. I'm a solid bopper, if I'm being honest. Woo, my bike look nice, boy. Wow, so third gear does not populate on that screen. All right, got a couple red flags, but I'm not judging. All my bikes aren't perfect either. Well, there's no way that I would actually try to leave him. So, there's that. I'm just liking the effects that my hair is giving to the rest of the population of the world today. All because I forgot to put my hair inside my hightail. I went through all that to get it, and I forget to put it on. Oh, your girl is smashing up herself. Don't try this at home, kids. Now, man, the roads are way more congested than they used to be. But soon we will be boarding our private track, aka oh, look, my lane sister! look good. Oh, I guess he wanted to maybe hit that corner. I'll wait for him at the light up here. I definitely want to get his feedback and what he thought about the Ducati. Oh my gosh. So Kane just had one of our runs, like I would like to call it, and he really got to take rows and see what that was like, taking such a monster V4 on the equivalent to our track here in Delaware. And oh man, like just watching my bike, that experience in itself was something. Watching my bike, y'all, watching my bike, that I can't even begin to describe. So I'm just really excited for him. I'm like a kid in a candy store. I'm gonna pull up to the gas station, wait for him to get there, and hear his feedback. Like, I want to hear everything he's got to say about it. Were you screaming in your helmet?
Kendra, I was screaming.
When I caught you and you were like this, you were screaming in your helmet? I felt it.
I had my hands up. I was like, what the fuck?
This is craziness. I want more. I want more. Yeah, it's like a drug.
And then I'm like, okay, I don't want to stall. So I'm giving these on the start. Because there's a delay with the throttle.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because jumping right off of this one onto this.
Yeah, this one, that's why I always, if I ride a bike, I always play with the clutch and I always see where your throttle is. Does it have a delay or is it like, right away?
Man. Other than the quick shifter, it is smooth.
Yes.
The few times I got it to work, the transition from 5th to 6th or 4th to 5th or 3rd to
Especially if you're just going, you going, you just
the faster you're going, the smoother it is.
Yes, exactly, because it doesn't want to do that like lower.
This bike only knows violence.
That's pretty much the basic way to say it.
She gets off on.
She's toxic. That's why Lady in Red. This is a toxic woman energy right here.